Hi and welcome to tutorial 3. Now we need to cut this sphere and we learn how to do that. But before of that, I need to teach you how to use this tool that I'm talking about. So let's see what we can do here. Well, the first tool that I need to use is called bool tool. Bool tool is an add-on, exists default with the Blender. To activate this add-on, you need to go to Edit and open preferences, or you can hit number 4 from the keyboard and go to preferences. And when you open the preferences, go to add-on section and search for bool. So this is bool tool. Just hit this checkbox and it will be activated. So this is the first tool. And when you do that, just close this window, and now you will find this new tool right here. It's called Edit. When you go to Edit, you can open the bool tool and you will find all of these options. So let's learn how to use this tool. For example, I will add a cube. I need to go to Solid, hit Z, and go to Solid View. Just move this cube to Y-axis, hit G to the Y, and now I have this one. I will duplicate it, or maybe I will add a cylinder. So let's hit Shift A and let's add a cylinder here. Now we got a cylinder. So I will scale this cylinder down a bit and rotate it. So hit R to rotate and rotate it to the X-axis, hit X, and then just rotate like that. And maybe I need to scale it to the Y a bit, so hit S, Y. I guess I need to make it taller. Alright, so that's cool. I will push this inside the box, so hit G and take it and just put it inside the box, maybe here, or maybe you can hit G and put it right here. Anyway, maybe I can make it taller and make it penetrate the box just like that. Alright, now I need to cut this box, and I need this cylinder to be the cutter. So because we activated the bool tool from the add-ons, now I can do that. Alright, now we need to make a hole inside this box. So this cylinder will be the cutter and it will cut this box. So the first thing that we need to do is select the cutter and then select the box. The box will be the victim. Alright, it will be cutted because of the cylinder. So first select the cylinder and then hold Shift, select the box. After that, open the bool tool from the Edit and then choose one of these operations. Let's try difference. When you hit difference, this cylinder will cut the box and it will change just to wireframe as you see here. And if you select this and hit G and move it, now you can move this object and you can cut it from any place that you want. Alright, I gonna hit Ctrl Z couple times and let's see one of these. What is the union? Union will help me to join this piece with this piece. So let's hit union, and now as you see this piece, now it's joined, and now it is both of them are one piece. As you see here, if you go inside, you will see what's going on here. Let's go inside a bit. Let's see what we got here. So as you see here, now it is joined. The cylinder, now it is part of this box. Let's go out. I'm going to hit Ctrl Z. Alright, let's try to use intersect. If you do and choose intersect, now we can just have the piece of the cylinder inside the box and everything will be disappeared. Let's hit Ctrl Z. What about slice? Let's hit slice. If you do that, now we just created a slice here, right here. Alright, so now we got the idea. Alright, so the next thing that you need to do is to apply the results. So to do that, you can select the brush or the cylinder because it's called brush, and you can, when you select it alone, you can go to apply and apply brush, and now everything is applied. It's still here, but it's not gonna affect anything. You can move it and put it right here, for example, and the new piece that you did or you create is exist. So this is the way to apply the operation when you are complete. And now you can delete this cylinder. Can delete it easily, just like that. Alright, so now we got the idea how to use the bool tool, but there is something else I need to tell you. We just work with the bool tool by using this option, but there is a shortcut we can use. So let's create something else here. Let's add, hit Shift A, and let's add, for example, another cube, and make it smaller a bit, and take it and make it penetrate this big cube. Maybe any scale it, maybe we can scale it to the Y just a bit, like that. And let's see now what we can do here. Well, let's select the cutter first, and let's select the box. And instead of using this option, now we can use the shortcut. So the shortcut for the difference is Control minus. And if you do that, now you can cut without the needing of come here and select difference. So this is for the difference. For the union, you will need to press Control plus, and that's gonna make these two objects one. And for the slice, you need to hit Control slash from the numpad, and that's gonna make the slice. So that is all you need to use the bool tool. Alright, so this is a nice way to cut object and to deform your object, and it's very easy and efficient. But there is another way I need to teach you in the next tutorial, so see you next.